Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you a very tricky thing here. Most of us, when working with Excel or Word or even PowerPoint, we have things we love doing frequently, but mostly we have to go through quite a longer process to do this. Some of you know the keyboard shortcut, which is more easier, but sometimes you can also use your mouse to do some of these things very easier, and that is by using the quick access toolbar. So the quick access toolbar is found here. That is the first bar you see when you open your Excel sheet or your Word document. And then you have your save here is there by default. You have your undo is there by default. You have your redo, which is also there by default. But you can also customize this quick access toolbar, and that is by clicking on this drop down. If you click here, you will see all the things here you might like to add to your quick access toolbar. Say if you want to be printing your document while working frequently, you just have to click on the quick print, and then that one will be added. Now you can see your quick print here. So if you press on this drop down, all those ones that are checked, the save is checked. That is why I see it here. The quick print is checked. That's why I see it here. The undo and redo are also checked. That's why I see them here. So you can also select those you want to be seeing on the quick access toolbar. And